A procedure can be called with a parameter. A parameter is a form of a variable you define with procedure command. For example, change font size 10. It will define the size parameter for the change font procedure and set it to a default value of 10. Now let's call the change font procedure and pass the value of font size variable to the procedure's size parameter. Note that the size parameter automatically defines size variable, so here we need to use size parameter. In this example, the size variable will get its value directly from the font size variable. This is done with this call change font size command. Try changing the starting value of the font size variable to 30 in the script and run it. You see that the default value of size parameter, 10 in this case, will be overridden with the starting value of the font size variable, which equals 30.